Hello, so in this video we're going to look at whether driving lessons and driving tests will be affected by the new tier system. If you don't know, there is a new tiering system being introduced into the UK today, and each area of the country will be ranked from tier 1 to tier 3 based on how bad the virus is in that area. So let's get straight into it, and I'm also going to link to a video which will show you how you could get a driving test even if there are no tests available in your area, because there are going to be massive amounts of people who are wanting to book driving tests, and there is about a 6-month backlog of tests. But for now, let's get straight into the things about the tiers. So in tier 1 areas, there will be no change. Driving lessons and driving tests can go ahead. In tier 2 areas, there will be no change. Driving lessons and driving tests can go ahead. And in the worst affected areas, tier 3 areas, there'll be no change, so driving lessons and driving tests can go ahead. So it's great news for us all. Driving lessons and driving tests can, at the moment, as things stand, continue. So check out this other video on the screen now to show how you might be able to get a driving test, even when it seems there are none available. Check out the other videos to watch full-length driving tests in action. Please subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with the latest news. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.